Okay guys, time to remove the old power supply. Replace it with this. If you see my video of the album unboxing, then you know I'm gonna install this to replace this. So here we go. Okay, gotta find a different position for this. Let's see. It's basically replacing one FSP power supply for another FSP power supply. This whole power supply is missing a screw, but it should be fine. Alright, so now it's only map. That was easy. So, let's go ahead and compare the two power supplies, shall we? Now, as you can see, these two are just about their same size. It looks like it will be a direct bolt-on. 400 watt, 80 plus gold. The stalker is 300 watt, 80 plus bronze. So now let's go ahead and... Ooh, wait. First, let's see if the connections, these connectors are the same. Oh yeah, looking at it, it's a direct bolt-on. So now, go ahead and grab the tower. Let's see. Let's grab the tower. And that's on Velcro this. I like the Velcro. The Velcro is nice. Let's go ahead and oh yeah. Now look at that. It's a direct fitment. So in this case, let's use the new hardware that comes with it. More Velcro. Sorry, my work area is a little bit messy. This is normally where I keep the keyboard. Oh yes, and let's go ahead and go ahead and just hand tighten these for now. Oops. Wow, a direct replacement. Okay, why didn't this go in easy? Oh, I guess it's off alignment a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Finger tightening this, I think, will do in this case. And I am going to, however, reuse the old power cable. Seems how I don't feel like reaching around just to unplug the old, just to use the new. But at least got the new one just for a spare. Let's see. Come on. Go. Now that's tightened. Now it's only a matter of running all these cables. Let's see. So we need this one to run the DVD drive, and that we need. Let's see. That to run power to the CPU, and let's see, this is pretty interesting. So let's start off by plugging this in. I should have done this before I got everything hooked up, before I put the power supply in. Oh man, this is being a pain in the butt. Alright, this is a pain in the butt. Pain in the... Let's see. There we go, finally got it. And then I have to run the other one right here. There we go. And only one of these, since it's only a 4-pin connector. Just got to figure out which side it is. There we go. And last but not least, the 24-pin connector. And then this power supply upgrade will be complete. Okay. Now it's time for a little bit of cable management. I'll be back. Okay, my cable management is mediocre at best. But everything's all plugged in. I checked connections and everything seems to be good. I'll be back as I get everything hooked back up. So I'll be back. Alright, so everything's plugged in, so let's go ahead and flip the switch and turn it on. And looks like everything's working so far. Alright, so I think everything's ready. So let's go ahead and just do some overclocking. No. And looks like everything is now working. Whoops. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.